Hello, everybody. This is Naadbindu once again with a special subject very close to hearts of all Pakistanis, Indians, and maybe Bangladeshis as well. And not only that, it's about Akhanda Bharata, which is a reality because Aurobindo and Mother's yoga was based on this entire sacred land. The sacred land cannot be without the parts adjacent to India, right and left. So, in 1926, Mother of Pondicherry announced, she predicted the freedom of India in the year 1947, and along with that, she mentioned that, and she advised people around not to address, not to consider, not to think about India as just a landmass or a piece of land with rocks, water, and whatnot, vegetation, etc. But she advised them to really consider her as Mother India, Bharat Mata. So she added another thing to her during lecture. She said, the most vibrant and strong spiritual point on the body of Mother India is Kashmir, and she marked some area of Kashmir, which is today's Azad Kashmir, POK, and she said that this area will remain under darkness for 200 years. And gradually, what is our observation? That Kashmir actually will be resolved in 200 years. That is, we have to wait till 2126 because prediction was made in 1926. So, coming to the point and watching the political and all other disturbances around, we see the area of Kashmir which is under the occupation of Pakistan and something under occupation of China as well, extended by Pakistan to China. This is cursed land, and this will bring curse to both China and Pakistan because this is destined for them. Pakistan will get divided into 4 parts and China into 7 parts until these parts are with these respective 2 countries. This is not my ill will, but I wish all the countries prosper, but this is destined. This destiny is as such that the spiritual point of view gives us this feeling that these areas, all the evilness contained in these areas will divide both these countries into small countries. Why I said cursed land? Because over the past more than 1,000 years, many occult people tried their best to grab these areas, and like in history it's recorded, so many kings have fought over these lands of extreme north of India, but some ruled, some failed, and alongside, even today, occult people try their hand on these lands because Kashmir is the source of Mahashakti, the great energy, because Sri Yantra is here, because the various Shakti sites are here, these which are very important. But over the time, all the notions and all the occult attacks from Pakistan side and from Arabic side and from so many other sides, they have been defeated, decimated, and now today it's new world. New world is emerging, and India has a special place in the new world, and it is for sure that India has to rule the entire world, not by grabbing lands, but imparting knowledge, imparting all the good things. Thank you so much.